make animated website with Google AI Studio for completely free. So I was able to build this awesome looking animated website using just Google AI Studio without writing any single line of code, and it is absolutely free. Okay, the good news is that you also have a free hosting as well. So as you can see, and you can also add your own custom domain name to it as well. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply go to Google, then come and search for Google AI Studio, then you hit enter, and then once you come, simply come here to the official site of Google AI Studio and then come and click on it. It's going to bring you right here to the Google AI Studio platform, and then come here to where we have the playground. Okay, so come and click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here to the playground, okay, where you can build anything with Gemini. The next thing that you have to do is simply come and then select your model by clicking on Gemini, okay. And over here where you have select model, come and then click on Gemini. So when you click on it, all the models, that is the Gemini models, will come, and then the preferred one that you should select is to simply scroll down and then come and then select Gemini 2.5 Pro. This one, Gemini 2.5 Pro, and then click on it to select it. So from here you can see that you have selected Gemini 2.5 Pro. After that, come here to where you have the chat box and then come and paste in this prompt. I have pinned this prompt at the comment section below. Copy it and then come and paste it right here. And where we have the website name, come and then clear it and then put in your website name just like this. And then where you have the website type, come and then clear it and then put in the website type that you prefer. Okay, so after putting in your website name, simply come and then come and click on the run. Okay, so when you click on the run, Gemini is simply going to think about it, and Gemini is going to give you the prompt. Okay, that is a well structured prompt that you are going to use to build a website. So as you can see, prompt for Google AI Studio. So this is the well structured prompt that you are going to use to build your animated website. All that you have to do is simply come here to the three dots, come and click on it to show more, and come and click on copy as this. So after copying the prompt, when you look here, you see that copy to clipboard. Okay, now simply come here to Google AI Studio and then come and click on it. It's going to take you to the home. Okay, so from the home, come here to the build and come and click on the build. And over here, you can build anything with Gemini. Okay, but the most important thing is that over here, the model, come and then click on it where you have the Gemini 3 flash preview. Come and click on it and then come here to the advanced settings where you have the default, the down arrow, come and click on it, and then the preferred one that you have to select is Gemini 3 Pro Preview. Okay, Gemini 3 Pro Preview, come and click on it to select that one. So that one is best when it comes to creating websites. So after selecting it, come and click on the close, and then over here simply come and then make sure that it is selected and come and paste the prompt that we just copied. Okay, so after pasting it, one thing I have to do is simply scroll to the top. Okay, the very top, you see that where the prompt starts, okay, it is not exactly at the top one, it is from here. So where we have project, that is where the prompt starts. Come and put the mouse at the project and then clear everything and then make sure that the prompt starts and come and click on build. Okay, so after clicking on the build, it is going to build your animated website. So from here, come and click on the full screen mode and you have your animated website build, and it's awesome and it is really awesome. Okay, so over here you have all the menus. Okay, you can come and click on any of them, the home, and as I said, it's an animated website, so anytime you come back, you see that the home page image will change. Okay, so that is it. You can come and click on leave full screen mode, and the next thing that you have to do is simply come here to all the options and then come and click on the download app. Okay, to download our website. So when you click on it, you see that the website is going to be downloaded in a zip folder just like this. Okay, you can come and click on show in folder, and now we have our downloaded zip file. Okay, that is the website. Come and right click on it and come and click on extract all. So over here, come and make sure that show extracted files when complete is checked, and come and click on extract. Okay, so it is going to extract it and unzip it. So these are the components within the unzipped folder. Okay, and this is the unzip folder. What you have to do is simply come and then drag it to your desktop. Okay, just like this. So after dragging it to the desktop, you can then come and then right click on it and click on open, and you see that we have all these components in it. And then when you have the index, that is the index.html, when you right click and then you open it, you see that it should have opened the website, but the link has opened, but we are finding a blank page. Okay, so let me show you how to fix this. So what you have to do is simply go to Google and then come and then type in Google anti-gravity and then hit enter. So over here, come and select the official site of Google anti-gravity by clicking on it. That is the platform that we are going to use to fix the blank page. Okay, so come and click on download for Windows or for Mac, and then after downloading it, open it. Okay, and then install it. And over here, you're going to see that anti-gravity will launch just like this. So over here, what you have to do is simply come here to where you have the down arrow, come and click on it, and the model, come and then make sure that you select Gemini 3 Pro. Okay, so we have all this. Come and select Gemini 3 Pro High. That is the one that we are going to use. Okay, so after selecting it just like this, the next thing is that we have to open our unzip folder. Okay, this one. Okay, so just come here to where you have the files, come and click on it. And then from all the options, come here to open folder. And then from here, that is at the desktop, that is where we have our unzip folder just like this. Come and click on it and come and click on select folder. So it is going to ask you to trust the folder. Simply come and click on yes, I trust the authors, and then over here you will see that it has loaded the folder. Okay, that is our extracted downloaded website. Okay, and then we have all the components in it, but if you can see, we don't have a this folder. Okay, so we are going to ask Gemini to create a this folder and then fix the blank page. So we are going to paste this prompt. Okay, so I have pinned this prompt at the comment section down below. Copy it. Okay, and then where we have paste your folder part here, come and then paste the part. Let me show you how to get your folder part. So from the unzip folder, this one that we put it on the desktop, come and then right click on it and come and click on properties. Okay, and over here the general, where we have the file location. Okay, the file location, come and then highlight everything just like this. You put the mouse on it, you right click on it, you come and click on copy, and over here paste the file, the folder part here, come and paste it right here just like this. Okay, and then where we have this symbol, come and then highlight it, copy it, and come and paste it right in front of the desktop just like this. Now we need the folder name. Okay, so this is the folder name. Come and then highlight everything, put the mouse on it, right click on it, and come and click on copy, and come and then paste it right here just like this. Okay, so all of these together is the folder part. Okay, so after putting in the folder part just like this, you are good to go. The next thing is to simply come and then highlight everything. You right click on it and then come and then click on copy, and then you simply have to come and then paste it right here inside anti-gravity. Okay, paste the prompt just like this, and after pasting it, all that you have to do is to simply come here and then come and click on the send. That is all that you have to do inside anti-gravity, and then Gemini is going to analyze it. Okay, and then give us an implementation plan. So as you can see, Gemini has given us the implementation plan that you have to read. So from here you see that you have the implementation plan. It is going to fix the blank page. Okay, and it's going to build a disk folder for us. So after reading it, you can simply come here to where you have the proceed and come and click on it so that Gemini will go ahead and then build it for you. Or you can simply come and then type it right here that I have read it, please proceed, just like this, and come and click on send. But since we have the proceed at the top, I'm simply going to click on the proceed. So after clicking on the proceed, you see that Gemini will go ahead, and sometimes Gemini is going to ask you to run the command just like this. So anytime Gemini asks you to run the command, all that you have to do is simply come and click on run. Okay, just give it the permission to run the command. Okay, just like this. And then sometimes to it will ask you again, just like this. Just allow it to run the command. And sometimes too, it will also ask you that you have a step required. Okay, so make sure that you are always checking all these, just like this. Okay, so you have to come and then allow it. You can allow it once or allow it for the conversation. And after that, sometimes you have to allow it to run the command as I said, and that is it. That is all that you are going to do. You're not going to write any code. And as you can see, Gemini has done it, it has fixed it, and it has given us a local link that we can come and then click on it. Okay, and then we have the walkthrough. So from the top, you can see that we have the walkthrough. Gemini has successfully fixed the blank page, and then it has built the disk folder for us that we can host our website. Okay, so let's come here and then come and then click on accept all. Gemini has done very well. Okay. And then let's come and then click on the local link. Okay. So that you see that our website will open, but it will not open a blank page. So as you can see, the website has opened successfully and it's working perfectly fine. Okay. So from here to you see that we have the disk folder here. That is what you're going to use to host our website. Okay. So Gemini has done perfectly well. So let's say, thank you so much. You have done an awesome job. Always show appreciation. Okay. And then come and then click on the next. And that is it. So after showing appreciation, Gemini will also give you some short note on how to host your website for free. Okay. Now what you have to do is to save it. Okay. So simply come to the file, come and click on the file and come here to save workspace as, come and click on it. And then from here, just choose where you want to save it. I'm going to select desktop. And after that, simply come down here and then the file name, I'm simply going to add website to it. Okay, so that it will not conflict with what I have saved already. Okay, and then the save as type, just leave it as code workspace, just like this. Okay, and then come and then click on the save. So that is it. We have saved it. All that you have to do is simply close it. And let's go and then check our folder. So let's right click on it and then click on opened. And you are going to see that we have everything right here. And then we have our disk folder. Okay, so this is the disk folder that we are going to use to host our website for completely free. So now let's host it. All that you have to do is simply go to Google and then come and search for Netlify drop, just like this, and then hit enter. Come here to the official site of Netlify drop and come and then click on it. So over here, all that you have to do is simply come and then drag the disk folder onto here and you'll be able to host it. So this is the disk, okay, that Gemini did for us. Simply come and then drag it right here. Okay, so let's do it together. So all that you have to do is simply drag the disk folder gently, okay, and then come and then drop it right here to the Netlify drop, just like this, and it's going to upload. And that is all. You don't have to write any code, you don't have to do anything. So as you can see, it has hosted it and then it has given us a link that we can click on it, and then it has also given us a password as well, and that is my drop site. Okay, so just highlight the password, come and then right click and click on copy, and then come and then click on the link. Okay, so let's click on the link to open it. Then come and then paste the password that we just copied right here and come and click on the submit. And that is it. Our website is live and it has been hosted for completely free. Our animated website is looking awesome. Okay, so as you can see, it is working perfectly fine. Okay, so this is actually how to host it for completely free. But as you can see from here, they have given us the link that will expire after an hour. Okay, so if you want to host it for totally permanent, just come and then click on sign up for free. You can come and then sign up with any of these. So I'm going to go with sign up with Google. So when you click on sign up with Google, just choose your email address. Okay, and then over here it is a short sign up process. You put in your first name, you put in your last name, just like this, and then you are simply going to choose what you plan to use it for. So I'm simply going to go with for personal use. Okay, And then over here, they are simply going to ask you for what type, and I'm going to select for blog. Okay, so after selecting it for blog, over here they are going to ask you your role. So I'm simply going to select a designer. Okay, it's just select a designer, like a website designer. And then over here, they are going to ask you to put in your team name. You can simply put in your own name, just like the first one. After putting it, you see that you have everything just like this, and come and make sure that you read their terms and policies and come and click on continue to deploy. Over here, simply come and then skip everything by clicking on skip this step for now. Okay, and that is it. Okay, and you have your account right here. So this is the site. You can come and then click on it, and this is that link. Okay, so this is the free link. When you click on it, you see that your website is going to open, and it is working perfectly fine. So this is actually how to create your animated website. The good news is that not only do you have your animated website hosted, you can also add your own custom domain to it. Okay, and you can get it for completely free. You can get a custom domain. Yes, you heard me right. You can get a custom domain for completely free. So over here where we have the custom domain, I am having a link in the video description. Just check it and then grab your custom domain for completely free. Like the video and then see you in my next video.